What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back with the Postcard Tycoon, guys. I know sometimes you guys don't see me talk about it, but please know the Tycoon is here and it still works like a charm. Okay, this program has been around 6 years now. I got started in it 6 years. Okay, so I've been an affiliate for the program for 6 years and it's still going strong. All right, so I'm back to do a quick review and to show you guys another payment has come in. Okay, these payments don't stop just because I don't come and do a video. Okay, so please know all is well with the Tycoon. So let's talk about how you can make $300 commissions over and over and over. These money orders will come in like crazy when you mail your postcards. This is direct mail, okay? This was designed for the average person to not worry about the online marketing aspect of it, but anybody can mail postcards, right? I always keep them on deck. The Tycoon, okay, I have stacks of these, okay? So all I have to do is drop them in the mail. So everybody can do it. Simple, easy, okay? But it does take consistency to see results, okay, and to be a success with it. But I found my first success with the home-based business online with this type of opportunity with postcards, okay? Because it's easy to do. So this is the website you will get. Everybody gets their own website with the Tycoon. Eric Panalong is the owner of the program. WTM Publications is the company. Okay, so $300 over and over every sale you get, guys. With this, when you get signed up, you're gonna get 250 postcards, 250 leads out the gate to get you started. Okay, then they have what they call the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company, WTM, is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, every 5th sale over and over and over and over. Okay, and then they have on this page, check this out, this number. Call this number. Give it a jingle. Check it out. It's a 24/7 info line. All right, so let's look at this. I'm not going to read all this to you because you can read this at your leisure yourself, but this is the website. It's complete with all the information, so just read it. Take some time and read over it. You will see what it all entails. He's got some great visuals here, but to get to the meat and potatoes of it all, let's get to that. This is all great stuff, but what is the Tycoon? How does it work? Okay, mailing your postcards, that's number one. You got to be consistent with your cards. But let's go down here. Of course, it's a no-brainer. Let's go down. Let's get to what it all entails. 300 in your pocket. So let's go here. Okay, when you order the Tycoon, go to the website. The link is in the description, www.thepostcarddiva.com. When you order the Tycoon, you will start off with 250 free postcards and 250 free leads. That's names and addresses on peel and stick labels of people that's interested in making money online. Okay, they tell you this on the site. All right, so let's go down. Here's everything you will get when you order. You get your master dealership certificate, okay, that states that you are an authorized dealer, a reseller. The company is giving you authorization to resell their program. You're an affiliate to sell this over and over and over, okay, and you get to keep $300 commissions. Comes with a quick start report. You get a CD-ROM, a mail order black belt success manual, 101 ways to improve direct mail response, mailing list sources directory, dealership rights, access to print and mail service. There's a company we can refer you to that will do all the printing of the cards, put the labels on them, and the stamps if you're interested in that. Okay, so you have access to that. All right, and then we talked about this, the starter kit. That's what's going to be in the kit. The information I just read to you, and you're going to get 250 postcards and 250 leads. Okay, and it includes the recorded message, that 800 number that you saw on the page at the top. All right, guys. Now this website, you have your own website. It's going to be coded to you. I'm going to show you where my name is on it, so you can make sure when you get signed up that you're joining me directly. So you can see the website, very colorful. It gives you illustrations of the payout. Okay, it's 300 over and over, but you can set your goal, whatever that is, and decide how many you need per month. Okay, to be successful and to reach your income goals. All right, so keep going down. I want you to see this. Like it says here, read. Please read this. Very important. All right, so there's a frequently asked question little section here. Okay, just make sure you read this as well, guys. But you want to do this because one of my members was so excited they didn't fill out the order form. They just mailed in the payment, which is fine. But if you don't fill that order form out, you may miss a few steps. So we're going to go over that. All right, so we're going to keep going. All right, right here, ready to order. You want to read this, fill out the form. It tells you purchase a money order for $300. So you're going to need 2 money orders, one for $300 in my name, one for $198 in the company's name. Okay, it tells you that right here. All right, send both money orders and complete this order form. Send them both to this address. So you want to go here and print this out. Okay, fill this out and write it legibly, because they need your address to send you your kit, right? Plus you want them to have the right address and be able to read it when it's time to mail your commissions. So date it, check these boxes, mail in a money order, not checks. Okay, mail in money orders. Put the date, your full name, your address, okay, and your email here, okay, because they may have a question for you. You want to list that here. And then right here they ask you, do you want your phone number listed so your customers can contact you? I say yes. Okay, I'm always going to say yes on that, guys, because if someone gets your card in the mail, right, they may have a question. They want to make sure, hey, is this real? If I get a real person on the line, I feel more comfortable signing up, right? So don't be afraid you're running away from money. Trust me when I tell you. I can't tell you how many times people have called me and said, hey, I can't believe you answered the phone. Okay, so you want to put that on there. So I would say yes. Okay, plus you see what happens. The website comes up, it has my name and number because I said yes. All right, because when folks sign up, this is the only way to sign up. They have to go to your website that's on the card. So you want them to see a name and number. Otherwise, there's no number here, right? So if they have a question, who are they going to call? They're just going to just throw this card in the trash. Hey, I have a question, but nobody's to answer. And there's an email here, but it goes to the company. Now I'm sure that company, Eric and the company gets probably hundreds of emails a day. So you don't want that to get lost in the shuffle. So it's best to have your number here, because you want the person to know you are a real person, because you are a real person, right? So we go here, and you want to click right here. It says click here for the printable postcard order forms. You want to click there, right? And print this out. Okay, complete it and fill it out. Okay, print it and complete this order form. Mail it with your 2 money orders, one for $300, one for $198. Mail them priority so that you can get a tracking number. When you get to the post office, tell them, hey, I want a tracking number, so that you can track it and know that it's reached the office of WTM Publications. You'll know when it's reached there, right? So print this out, fill it out, put the 2 money orders in there, mail them to this company. Okay, and reach out to me to let me know you've done that, so that I can get your address and mail you 500 leads. Okay, that's one of the bonuses that I'm going to give you, as well as I'm going to be here for one-on-one support throughout your journey. Okay, once you get started with me, and I need to send you an email of some resources that I use, okay, to be successful with postcard marketing. Now, I'm going to send your leads in an envelope like this. Okay, so be on the lookout for an envelope like this. A brown envelope is going to have your 500 leads in it. Okay, so that's what you need to look for. So when you get signed up, when you mail it and you get your tracking number, just reach out to me and say, hey, I just signed up. I just mailed all the money orders, and I'm waiting for my kit. I'm going to ask you for your email and your address so that I can mail you your leads. I'm going to send you 500 leads. Now remember, the company is going to send you 250 leads and 250 postcards, just like this. Okay, so that's going to give you the 500 plus the 250. That's 750 leads, guys. Okay, so that's going to be a great kickstart to get your business going. All right, so that's the Postcard Tycoon. It's been around for 6 years and still going strong. So with that being said, let's get into the commission that I received. Okay, let's get into that. So got my handy dandies here. We're gonna not cut the money order, and let's show you some results. This thing is still cranking out after 6 years. All right, you got to be consistent with your mailings. That is key. All right, Mr. Walters, got your money order, sir. And I'm going to show you guys here. This is what it looks like. I'm going to cover this up because we don't want to share people's private information. But I'm going to show you here. It's dated 9/28. Okay, see that? Money order, Tycoon. And it says that the company is going to send you this little sheet so you'll know which program, okay, that you got a commission for. Now, let's look at the back of this just so you'll see that too. See, that's a money order. Not even signed yet, right? We don't play games here. We're transparent, so I'm just going to show you what's real. Okay? Alright guys, so another $300 commissions with the program, the Postcard Tycoon. So if you're interested in making $300 commissions, joining a direct mail program, just wanted to show you guys these. If you want your picture on there too, guys, I can do that. I can add your picture, like I did mine here. As you can see right here, I can add your picture too if you want it on there. Just let me know. All right, so that kind of personalize it. People see your picture, they got your phone number, they feel like, you know, you're a real person, and you want that because, again, people get so much stuff in the mail, they don't know what's real and what's not, right? So make sure you put your number on the order form, okay? And with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos. All right, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.